Why Jesus born in such a humble circumstances? Listen to this. Wouldn't people have listened to him if he had been born in the palace instead of a stable? You see, I want to make a point of this. If Jesus has been born in the palace, would you feel that he could truly understand the struggles and heartaches of ordinary people like us kung pinanganak siya doon? Kasi hindi natin siya mari-reach out kung nasa palace siya. Babantayan nila yon. Bawal kang pumasok dyan. Right? So, Jesus was born in the most humble circumstances that we could imagine. And throughout his life, living in this world, he lived and surrounded with poor people. From all eternity, his home had been in heaven, surrounded by glory and power and majesty. Yet, he is willingly left behind all of that to share his life, our life with him here on earth, even experiencing our same temptation. Now, because of this is my point. Listen to this. Because of this, we know he understands what our lives are like. So, this is why we can bring every burden to him in prayer. He loves us and he understands us. He understands our needs. In Matthew 11:28-30, sabi dito, "Come to me, all you are weary and burdened, and he will give you rest." He understands. "Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your soul. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." The Bible tells us we do not have high priest who are unable to sympathize with our weakness, but we have one who has been tempted in every day, just as we are, yet without sin. Hebrews chapter 4 verse 15.